Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you want to make your videos faster for fun effects or to fit your content better, let me show you how to speed up a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. Here, select the video you want to edit. Let me add this video. Tap on Add at the bottom right. Once your video is on the timeline, tap the video clip. And at the bottom menu, find this option called Speed and tap on it. So here you will see three options: Normal, Curve and Velocity speeds. Normal lets you speed up the entire video, whereas Curve lets you change the speed at different parts, and Velocity Effects is all about adding effects to the video. Tap Normal, then drag the slider to the right to increase the speed, for example 2x, 4x or even more. Preview your video. Once happy, tap the check mark to apply. Finally, export and save your video. And that's it. Your video is now sped up in CapCut. Try mixing it with reverse or slow motion effects for even cooler edits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.